What are the things in video I'm going to explain you Facebook ads policies, guys. Before going to create any campaign, any ads in our Facebook ad account, we have to know, we have to learn these Facebook ads policies, guys. Hey guys, welcome to another video, and this is Chandu. You are watching Digital Chandu channel, and welcome to free digital marketing course training. And in previous video we have successfully discussed and we have successfully completed how to create a pixel and what is pixel, where we previous video I show you in live, guys. If you guys miss those videos, simply go to Digital Chandu digital marketing channel and you can watch there. And in today's video I am going to explain you Facebook ads policies, guys. Before going to create any campaign, any ads in our Facebook ad account, we have to know, we have to learn these Facebook ads policies, guys. Every people teach you and told you about do's, guys, do's. Though no one will tell you, no one will teach you don't, so what to do, what not to do. Whenever you people know about, at that time you have an idea what to do and what not to do. So because the reason I have to decide, and what what are the things you have to do in Facebook, or what are the things Facebook won't accept in advertisement. In advertisement with Facebook, so many people know about do's but few people know about don'ts, and without knowing don'ts, at some certain time period you get stuck, guys. Why? Because you know, whenever you create a product for advertisement, Facebook policies whenever won't accept, at that time you people don't have an idea how to do that product for advertisement. So because the reason, before going to create any ads, I, I'm going to show you what are the do's in don'ts in Facebook ads policies, guys. In do's, we can create traffic ad, brand awareness, engagement, app installs, video views, lead generation, messages, conversions, catalog sales, store traffic, everything we can do. But some kind of products and services, Facebook ads won't accept, guys. Facebook ads got won't accept, and those ads got disapproved. So I'm going to show you now what are the don'ts we are going to follow. Here you can see this is the URL, guys. You have to check in and simply copy and paste it over here. After page loaded, here you can see so many ads policies. So Facebook already mentioned to business who are creating ads, those people for creating already ads policies, guys. We have to know about it. Here you can see overview. Our advertisement proper policies provide guidance on what type of advert content are allowed. When advertisers place an order, each advertisement is reviewed against their policies, guys. And if you think that advertisement was not approved by mistake, simply let us know, guys. So you can see here, after your ad disapproved, whenever your ad disapproved, simply contact through this button, guys. Let us know, guys. Here you can see common points of confusion, means those people won't accept personal attributes, sexual suggestive content, Facebook brands, those people, those type of content Facebook ads won't accept, guys. Here you can see, this is most important, the advertisement review process, guys. When it happened means, after creating your campaign, ad sets, ads, after creating everything, you can simply make it live, guys. After clicking make it live, Facebook will review everything about your campaign, targeting, ads, everything, guys. Whenever your Facebook ads matching to your particular landing page at the relevancy, guys, Facebook will check relevancy and content, what are the product you're servicing, is it matching to your landing page or not, everything it going to check, guys. So even in images also, whenever we use more text, our reach will decreases. So because the reason, we have to reduce the text and increase the image, increase the graphical interface of images. At that time we can reach to more people, it is possible to upload also. steps to take if ad is disapproved. What we have if our ad, whenever our ad disapproved, what we can do? We can't able to contact through our mobile, we can't able to contact through email id. Why? Because it will take a lot of time. So simply here you can see steps to take if ad disapproved means here you can see this form, guys. See, whenever you click on this particular button, it will ask you form. You have to mention what are the ads and what are the something. It will ask you some questions and some queries. Whenever you fill that form and submit to Facebook, those people will review your ads. And after then, prohibited content, what are the content those people are not encouraging, and means community standards, illegal products and services, discriminatory practices, tobacco related products, drugs, unsafe supplements, weapons, adult product and services, adult content, third party infringement, and sensational content. So many content is available over here, guys. You have to know, you have to check it before going to make it your ad live, guys. We see creating ad is very easy, guys. See why I am making this video, means so many people doing affiliate marketing, guys. Those people are simply creating ad for this affiliate marketing ads. At that time, whenever those people creating ad in Facebook, simply those people make it like after then those ads are not approved. Why? Because in under these policies are related to this that particular affiliate marketing product. So because the reason the ads not got approved, and non-functional landing page cheating, there are so many bunch of policies over here, guys. We have to follow, we have to know about it. At that time only we can make our ads very effectively and very productively, guys. Misleading claims and everything. Here you can see restricted content means alcohol related, dating content. Some people are creating ads for network marketing, this type of making money online, making money within 24. This type of ads are also Facebook won't accept, guys. Keep in mind. Why? Because before going to why I am informing to you is because the reason, guys, some people are doing ads for this type of network marketing, this type of content, and this won't work in Facebook, guys, believe me. And here you can see cryptocurrency product and services, so many video ads. In video ads, we have to know about whenever create video for our particular product and services. Here you can see Facebook already mentioned to us drugs and alcohol uses, adult content, profanity, violence, agor, and this type of videos also we won't accept in Facebook advertisement. In targeting purpose also, against to people, against to harassment, disparage users, engaging in predatory advertising practices. This type of targeting also Facebook won't accept, guys. In positioning, already I told to you, right? Relevancy, accuracy, landing related landing pages. Whenever you create ad, at that time Facebook will review that particular ad is matching to your landing page or not. Everything Facebook will review, guys. So because the reason you have to create from scratch level to make it live level, you have to know about everything about Facebook ads. So because the reason I am making this video. And here you can see text in images. I already told to you excessive text in ad images may result in your ad reaching fewer people, not running at all. Also, whenever we create more text in our particular ads images, at that time that particular ads will reach to fewer people, low people. Even sometimes the ad is not running at all, also those people are informed to us. And lead adverts means whenever I create leads and whenever create ads in Facebook, don't Facebook won't accept account numbers, criminal history, financial information, government issued identifiers, health information, insurance information, political affiliation, and this type of sexual orientation information, this type of. And use of our brand assets, guys. whenever you create other people's brands and those people are logos, trademarks, at that time also Facebook won't accept your ads and data using restrictions. Things you should to know, these are the things you should to know about before going to create ads in your particular ad accounts, guys. Whenever you create using without following these guidelines, these policies, simply those people will block your ad account. So because the reason you have to know about it, you have to learn about it, we need to follow these policies before going to make our ads, guys. This is the process. I hope this video helpful to you and very useful to who are watching this video and who are looking to run ads in Facebook. Very useful to you guys. Please follow these steps before going to like make a make a live video or ad in Facebook. And hope this video helpful to you. Please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe button, guys. And thanks for watching. See you in next video. Bye bye.